manufacturing in America and around the world is at an inflection point. The silos that define design, manufacturing, marketing, procurement, and planning are breaking down, a convergence made possible by new forms of software that handle large quantities of real-time data and turn it into actionable insight. It's an exciting time to be in manufacturing, and I spoke with 4 experts in a discussion about where we are and where we're going. Here's an excerpt. What is the state of American manufacturing today in particular, and where do we stand?
Yeah, great question. The manufacturing industry is really undergoing an unprecedented level of a digital-led transformation. Digital technologies are emboldening manufacturers to embark on enterprise-wide digital transformations that are really changing the nature of how their businesses operate. Innovative manufacturers are leveraging greater connectivity and increased analytical capability to drive fundamental shifts beyond the shop floor. They're transforming pretty much every aspect of their business, from product design to customer experience, as well as advancing their sustainability goals. And their efforts are helping manufacturers optimize processes and operations and generate new revenue streams through digitally enabled products and services.
Small companies, they look for advantages over their competitors and over the large companies, and they have a unique opportunity to be more agile, more flexible. And you just said something where I believe we need to be cautious, because there is a democratization of technology going on. And what was formerly out of reach, expensive, complex, we and the world want to make it accessible for everybody.
And the cloud breaks down some of those barriers. Before, when we had on-premise, you had to have a big installation, you had to have a team there to support it. And the cloud and kind of this instant-on capability and access just changes the conversation, especially for the mid-market and some of the smaller supply chain companies out there. It's just much more accessible. So in order to stay competitive, stay agile, they have to have this data and insights that PLM provides.
Cloud is a great equalizer here. So cloud provides us the scale which allows us to manage this data at scale. The size of the data is not the problem. It's how do you derive meaningful insights? How do you do pattern recognition and anomaly detection from this amount of data? And this is where cloud-based storage, cloud-based processing, AI, ML, an application of that makes it much more easier and accessible for small and even the small and medium businesses. And I think it's going to allow us to make smarter decisions throughout not just during the production, but all the way from concept to design to manufacturing to operate, because all these feedback loops keep coming back into the life cycle.